In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Lycamobile SIM card and get connected quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you have an unlocked phone, your Lycamobile SIM, and a stable internet connection. In some countries, SIM registration is required by law, so keep a valid ID handy. If registration is mandatory where you live, you can complete it online or at a Lycamobile partner store. Start by inserting your Lycamobile SIM card into your unlocked phone and turning the device on. Give it a moment to recognize the new SIM. If your phone was previously locked to another carrier, activation won't work until it's fully unlocked, so double check that first. Next, go to the official Lycamobile activation or registration page for your country. You'll usually find the correct link on Lycamobile's website or printed materials in your SIM pack. If online registration isn't available or you prefer in-person help, visit a partner store with your ID. Using Wi-Fi for this step is a good idea since your mobile data may not be active yet. When the form loads, enter the requested details carefully. You may be asked for your Lycamobile number or your PUK code along with the last digits of the SIM serial number, also known as the ICCID. These numbers are typically printed on the SIM card holder or packaging. Then submit your personal details as required for your country. Take a moment to review everything before you confirm. Small typos in numbers or names can delay activation. After you submit the registration, wait a short while for the system to process it. Your phone should connect automatically to the Lycamobile network once everything is approved. Watch for signal bars and the Lycamobile name to appear on your screen. If it doesn't show up immediately, keep the phone on and give it a bit of time to start using calls, texts, and data. Top up your balance or activate a bundle that fits your needs. You can usually do this online in the Lycamobile app or with a voucher from a retailer. Once you've added credit or selected a plan, restart your phone to refresh the network settings, then place a quick test call or send a message to confirm everything is working. Activation can be immediate, but sometimes it takes a few hours or up to a day depending on registration and network processing. If it's taking longer, stay patient and avoid submitting the form multiple times. And that's it. Insert the SIM, register online or in-store, enter your SIM and personal details, wait for the network to connect, top up or pick a bundle and restart. You're ready to go.